Hello, Mr. Ayers here, and I am going to talk to you today about our Digital Bootcamp Video Group Contest. That's for quarter 4. So this is a video that can be done by yourself, with a partner, or as a group. Okay, I just want you to get the experience of being in a video. And it also incorporates a lot of the other skills that you've learned already this year for our digital boot camp. It kind of wraps everything up, and it gives me a good video at the very end of the year to post to our website. All right, so if you click into the quarter 4, you see there is the submission. I need a video that is MP4 submitted here into the created video. And you see you're just going to use the same submission as you have before. I do need everyone to submit their video individually. So if you are just an actor, or if you are just the director, it still needs to be submitted in your file in order for you not to get locked out at the end of the year. Then you'll be locked out all summer if you don't get that done. However, you can make this video at any point during the year, or if it's for a class or something like that, doing a documentary for a class or a public service announcement, you can put that in there as well. Okay, so this shows you how to make a music video. There are many different softwares out there that you can use, but I prefer Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is Premiere Elements is actually on all of the student computers, and you should be able to make a new project and edit using that. So that's video editing. You'll also have to use a camera, and you can get cameras through a teacher. You can come to me in the library and check it out for a few days, and then just as long as you bring it back. Or you can use your own. You can use your own phone or your own cameras and just download it onto our computers in order to edit it, or use your editing software at home. A lot of people like to use the Macintosh iMovie to edit their videos. All right, here are some mistakes. Here's some video equipment that you may want to consider, and then just the beginning for video editing. Video editing does take a little bit of computer know-how, so if you haven't ever had any computer editing experience, please come by and ask me in the library, and I might do a couple of classes in the makerspace or something like that. Also, if you have any questions, or maybe you need some extra people in your video. Maybe you have an idea and you just don't have enough people for it. Just post your discussions here, and keep an eye out if you haven't had any. If you don't have anybody to make a video with, maybe you can just be a part of a video. By going into the forum. I am looking forward. I think this is the most creative one that we have this year. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Just make sure to get it done by June 5th, and your accounts will be open for the summer. All right. Good luck.